After installation, let me see the turn on effect. Here is the main interface. Here is Whiteboard software, welcome application, browser and setting. We connect the Wi-Fi first. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect. Let me introduce more details about Whiteboard software. You can choose the pen size, change the pen color. Use the eraser. Also have some rule. Let me introduce our wireless project solution eShare application. You can use your phone to scan the QR code. Here is welcome application. You can choose one. Use the different picture. Start presentation. This is brochure application. You can search anything here. This is Angel system. If you use dual system, you can click here to change to the Windows system. And here we can back to the Angel system. Let's view the settings details. Those are all functions of our interactive board. Turn off the interactive board. Bye bye.